Imagine being able to easily turn your car around in a tight space, or having the precision of a racing car when driving at high speeds. Sounds futuristic, right? Well, this isn't science fiction. It's the result of advanced automotive technologies like four-wheel steering and steer-by-wire. Today, we're exploring how these game-changing systems revolutionize vehicle handling, control, and overall driving experience. So buckle up and let's get started. First up, let's talk about four-wheel steering, or 4WS. Traditionally, cars only had the front wheels turning, while the rear wheels stayed in place. But with 4WS, the rear wheels can also pivot, allowing for tighter turns and better stability. At low speeds, the rear wheels turn in the opposite direction to the front wheels, making U-turns or parking in tight spaces a breeze. But at higher speeds, the rear wheels turn in the same direction as the front wheels, giving you a smoother, more stable ride when changing lanes or taking on sharp curves. Why does this matter? Well, with 4WS, your vehicle becomes more agile. It feels as though your car is shrinking when maneuvering through tight spaces, and at higher speeds, it feels more like a racing car, hugging every corner with precision. The system provides greater control, stability, and overall safety, especially in tricky driving conditions. 4WS can be especially helpful in poor weather, where maintaining traction and control is critical. Now, let's shift gears to an even more futuristic technology, steer-by-wire, or SBW. Traditional steering systems rely on mechanical linkages such as shafts and gears. Steer-by-wire changes the game by replacing those with electronic controls. When you turn the steering wheel in a steer-by-wire system, sensors send electronic signals to actuators that control the wheels. There is no mechanical connection, and everything is done through digital signals. So, why switch to steer-by-wire? For starters, there's weight reduction. Without heavy mechanical parts, the car becomes lighter, improving fuel efficiency. Another benefit is that the steering response can be fine-tuned to match specific driving conditions. You could have a softer, more relaxed feel for city driving, and a sharper, more direct response on the highway or racetrack. And here's a cool feature. Steer-by-wire allows customizable steering modes that can change based on the driver's preference or the road conditions. Here's where it gets really exciting. In some modern cars, four-wheel steering and steer-by-wire work together to create an unparalleled driving experience. You get the precision and agility of 4WS, combined with the flexibility and customization of SBW. It's the ultimate blend of technology for anyone who values performance, safety, and comfort. Together, these systems make even the largest vehicles feel nimble and responsive, whether you're navigating tight city streets or cruising down the highway. One of the most interesting applications of steer-by-wire and 4WS is their potential in autonomous vehicles. Since SBW is controlled electronically, it's easier to integrate it with self-driving technologies. Autonomous cars need precise control over steering, and with these systems, they can achieve better maneuverability, making self-driving cars even safer and more efficient. The technology can enable autonomous cars to park themselves or make complex maneuvers that would be difficult for a human driver. So, which cars are using these technologies today? Some of the most advanced vehicles, like the Audi A8, Lexus LS, and Mercedes-Benz S-Class, are equipped with both four-wheel steering and steer-by-wire systems. These luxury models offer an unparalleled driving experience, making it easier to navigate tight urban environments while still offering superior handling at high speeds. They're also paving the way for future innovations in the automotive world. As we look to the future, we can expect 4WS and steer-by-wire to become even more common, not just in luxury cars, but across a wide range of vehicles. With the push towards electric vehicles and autonomous driving, these technologies will play a key role in making cars smarter, safer, and more enjoyable to drive. Who knows? Maybe one day we'll even see fully customizable steering systems that adjust on the fly, tailored to each driver's unique preferences and the road ahead. Four-wheel steering and steer-by-wire are transforming the way we drive, offering more control, better safety, and enhanced performance. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just curious about how modern technology is shaping the future of vehicles, these systems are worth keeping an eye on. So, what do you think? Are you excited about these advancements in vehicle handling? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss out on our next episodes. Thanks for watching.